Claude is now embedded directly inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, not as an add-on you have to hunt down, but as a native, context-aware assistant. This isn't a minor product update. This is Anthropic planting a flag inside the most dominant enterprise software ecosystem on the planet. The feature that separates this from every other AI productivity announcement is context persistence. Imagine analyzing a sales dataset in Excel, then jumping to PowerPoint to build the presentation, and your AI assistant already knows the numbers, the trends, and the story you were building. That's not autocomplete. That's a genuine cognitive handoff between applications, something no enterprise tool has delivered at scale before. Microsoft already has Copilot baked into these exact same applications. So enterprise customers now face a genuinely interesting choice. Two serious, well-funded AI systems competing for their attention inside the same tools they use every single day. What makes this arrangement uniquely strange is that Microsoft is simultaneously a partner enabling this integration and a direct competitor whose own AI product sits right next to Claude in the same menu bar. While Word and PowerPoint get the headlines, the Outlook public beta is the piece worth watching most carefully. Email is the connective tissue of every organization. It's where decisions get made, approvals get logged, and institutional knowledge actually lives. If Claude can synthesize that email history and directly connect it to documents being drafted in Word or data sitting in Excel, that's the moment AI stops being a productivity novelty and starts functioning as genuine business infrastructure. The honest skeptic's view is that most AI and productivity software launches have delivered features you could already replicate by pasting text into a chat window. Summarize this document, rewrite this email, draft this paragraph. These are genuinely useful, but they don't change the structure of how work gets done. The thing that's been conspicuously missing from every prior attempt is the thread that connects one app to the next. And that thread is exactly what Anthropic is claiming to have built. There's a meaningful difference between AI as a feature and AI as infrastructure. Features get used occasionally when someone remembers they exist. Infrastructure gets relied upon invisibly, every hour of every workday. Cross-application context persistence, if it works as described in real-world conditions rather than controlled demos, is the architectural shift that could finally push enterprise AI across that line. The companies that recognize this transition early will have a compounding advantage over those still treating AI as a bolt-on. Every major software launch looks impressive in the demo environment. The honest measure of whether this integration actually delivers will come from people who live inside Word, Excel, and Outlook for 8 hours a day. And the feedback worth listening to won't be the enthusiastic launch posts. It'll be the quiet complaints from power users hitting invisible walls, or the quiet praise from someone who says they haven't opened a separate AI tab in weeks. That silence or that frustration is the real product review. The intersection of Anthropic's context-aware AI and Microsoft's dominant enterprise ecosystem represents one of the most consequential product bets in the current AI landscape. Whether this becomes a defining workflow shift or another overhyped integration will depend entirely on execution depth. Not features on a roadmap, but reliability and intelligence in the hands of actual knowledge workers. Either way, the competitive dynamics this creates inside enterprise software are worth tracking very closely over the next year.